Welcome back. Okay, today we have a practical use for a static field is to keep a running count of how many objects have been created from a particular class. Since the static field is shared by all objects, it acts as a global counter for the entire class. Let's implement this feature in our student class. 1. Initializing the counter. First, we define the static field, object_count, directly in the class body and initialize it to 0. This variable belongs to the class. Next, we need to modify the constructor, the _init_double_ method, to increment this counter every time a new object is created. 2. Incrementing the counter. Inside the constructor, after initializing the instance variables, we increment the static field. Because object_count belongs to the class, we must access it using the class name student.object_count plus equals 1. We also define a simple get_count method to retrieve the total count easily. 3. Testing the counter. As we create 3 separate objects S1, S2, and S3, the constructor runs 3 times. Each time it runs, it increments the shared static field. When we finally print the student.object_count, the output is 3. We can also confirm this by calling the get_count method on any of the objects, as they all share the same counter value. To summarize, we have implemented a shared class counter, which is a key concept in OOP. Our next lecture 16.12. Create an inner class. See you there.